Hi, my name is Ken Wang. I'm a civil engineer and land surveyor. This session is about landslide. In late 2022-23, the rolling hail at State California, after heavy rains, dozens of houses crashing down the hill. Homeowners have lost everything and demand answers. The news media reported after days of heavy precipitation, the ground was soaked with water and it caused the house to sliding down the hills. It sounds logical, but there are more to it. In this case, the landslide literally is $1 million question because the homes are worth millions of dollars. In my opinion, the most probable culprit for the house crashing down the hill are the lawn sprinklers. Rain or shine, the sprinkler sprays. The excess water from the sprinkler drains down below the house, but the homeowner are not aware what's brewing underneath the house. The soil has held its place for years, but now it is at a critical moment. One little nudge, the soil will move down the hill with the house. The heavy rain is the last straw that breaks the camel's back, so to speak. Referring to the white slab in the center and the right of the screen, it is the broken big chunk of concrete driveway. The street has no curb and a gutter. The sprinkler excessive water seeps through the gap between the driveway and the road asphalt pavement. It has made a vertical cut. When the house slides, it simply separates the roadway from the lots. It looked like a cliff. Highway slipping with the hill. This is for your information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumb up, tell a friend. Goodbye.